ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನಲ್ಲಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಜಾಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಾಂಶಗಳು.
Managma 2013 inspired young budding business management students. Annual summer football coaching kickstarts at Centenary Football Ground of St. Aloysius College. Dr. M. V. Shetty Medical Laboratory Technology holds Annual Symposium Eureka 2013. Special feature on the contribution of Institute of Konkani to the development of Konkani language.
To mold young business minds, one-day national conference was held at Srinivas Institute of Management Studies.
The theme of the event, held on 10th April, was Tomorrow's Business Tigers, Best Practices to Stay Ahead. Sri Mohammad Amin, President of Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry, was the chief guest.
Every Indian shares India has arrived on the world scene as a member of the G20 club. While India works reasonably hard to earn a GDP of around $1.85 trillion each year, which is shared with a huge population that is of around 1.24 billion people.
Professor Dr. K.V.M. Varamballi, Manipal Institute of Management, and A. Raghavendra Rao, President, A. Shamrao Foundation, were the keynote speakers. Professor Shailashri V.T., coordinator of the conference, spoke to Campus I on the significance of the conference. Thus,
the college has received more than 76 papers on this occasion. There are also student presentations. For the students, it is a competition, and Managma 2013, the theme chosen is Tomorrow's Business Tigers, mainly because today's business people need to be aggressive. Aggressiveness, competitiveness and innovation is the most important thing in today's business scenario. Therefore, keeping this in mind, the relevant topic has been chosen.
the one-day national conference provided a platform for the budding business minds to explore the possibilities in the field of business as well as to figure out the challenges for the future.
UR Academy Soccer launched an annual summer football coaching at St. Aloysius College.
UR Academy of Soccer is a voluntary group of people associated by Mr. Umesh Uchal, an engineer, Mr. T.A. Ramesh, former district footballer, and also joined by Mr. Arun D'Souza, the physical education trainer of St. Aloysius College. While school children from various schools are on holidays, the group has innovatively come up with ideas to start an annual summer football coaching for 3 to 4 weeks in 2 months have started on Monday at Centenary Ground of St. Aloysius College. Mr. Umesh Uchal spoke to Campus I thus.
Most important thing in football is to discipline the child, discipline its energy and streamline them in the right direction. That is actually the spirit of football. That's what we teach children in our camps.
Dr. M. V. Shetty College of Medical Laboratory Technology conducted an annual symposium on laboratory science called Eureka 2013.
Dr. M. V. Shetty College of Medical Laboratory Technology conducted an annual symposium on laboratory science named Eureka 13, A Path Towards Excellence. The one-day annual symposium was comprised of paper presentation and exhibition on various aspects of laboratory. annual symposium had participation of 5 colleges in and around Mangalore. Dr. Mukta Pai presented a paper on chimilumine's scene technology.
I thought in this era of cancer screening programs, cancer detection, just now I saw a beautiful poster done for the detection of cancer lung, prevention of cancer lung, and all about the structure of the lung, which is involved by cancer. So let's see who is this person.
Pratiknya Suhasini GR, principal of Dr. M. V. Shetty College of Medical Laboratory Technology, spoke to Campus I.
Organized Eureka 30, an annual symposium on laboratory science. In our college, every year we are organizing this function with the support from our management, Dr. M. V. Shetty Memorial Trust. We are conducting this program in our college to get the benefit for the students and also for the staff to update their knowledge about the laboratory science.
ಈಗ ಪುಟ್ಟದೊಂದು ವಿರಾಮ.